All right, finished up about 95% of the ceiling. Other places I need to get, like up here in the window channel. I haven't got yet, but I did get all of the trunk. Places there, down here, down there, here. And lights. There. And then on the inside of the car. All new welds. And all on the firewall, on the cowl. All done. Yeah, I just did a factory style brushing. Clearly it's not perfect, but as long as it gets the job done, seals this up, I'm happy. I didn't do a fancy tape off like other videos show. I just felt wasn't needed. That's kind of it. And that's it. That's all I did today. So, and as I go through, I'll get the other places that I missed here and there. I'll kind of go through my notes and see what special places that were shown on my old videos, but the sound blasted away that I just hadn't noticed. But that's it.